Have you ever paused to consider just how pervasive automation has become in our everyday lives? Yes, the phenomenon of machines and technology performing tasks that were once the domain of humans is upon us, and it's revolutionizing the way we live and work. Consider the world of manufacturing. In the days of old, factories were filled with manual laborers performing repetitive tasks. A single mistake could lead to a faulty product, and the process was time-consuming and physically taxing. Fast forward to today, and you'll find factories humming with the precision of automated machinery. Robots assemble products with unerring accuracy, and production lines churn out goods faster than ever before. The result? Higher productivity, reduced errors, and the ability to produce complex products that would be difficult, if not impossible, to create by hand. Similarly, in the healthcare sector, automation has been a game changer. Previously, healthcare professionals had to manually record patient information and other data. Mistakes were common and potentially life-threatening, but today, automated systems keep track of patient records, manage inventory, and even assist in diagnosis and treatment, reducing errors and improving patient care. And let's not forget about transportation. Remember when you actually had to drive your car? Now, with the advent of automated cars, we're moving towards a future where vehicles will navigate the roads without human intervention. But what does this mean for job opportunities? Far from eliminating jobs, automation engineering is creating new ones. There are roles for automation engineers who design, program, simulate, and test automated machinery and processes. There are positions for robotics engineers who specialize in creating robots and robotic systems. And there are jobs for control engineers who work on the systems that control these automated processes. To thrive in these roles, individuals need a strong foundation in engineering principles, along with skills in programming, robotics, and systems design. They must also possess an ability to think critically and solve complex problems. So, to sum it all up, automation is transforming industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to transportation, leading to increased productivity, reduced errors, and the creation of complex products and services. And far from being a job killer, automation engineering is a field ripe with opportunities for those with the right skills and qualifications. Indeed, automation is not just the future, it's the present. And it's changing our lives in ways we could only have dreamed of in the past.